Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna Jean here, and I am going to do another Stitch Fix unboxing. I know that it's been a long time since I've been here, but it's been summer and I spent all day at my desk working, and so the last thing I want to do when it's beautiful outside and is really come in and edit videos and sit at my desk again. I just want to go play outside. So I'm sorry it has been so long, but I've just been playing outside. Has everybody had a good summer? Are you staying safe? Are you staying healthy? We have had some setbacks as well in that area, but we're all staying positive. The kids are about to go back to school, and I'm really looking forward to whatever normal is now. If you have noticed, I have quite a lot of makeup on today. My daughter did my makeup, and although the eyelashes are a little extreme, I think she did a really good job, and it looks good. Yeah, so I feel like she had put more on my face than I actually own in makeup before any color. She was just prepping for a really long time. But she did a good job. So that's why I have such fun eyelashes on today. All right, so sorry about that. Let's get going, see what I got. They're going to kill me if I don't return this soon. Okay, we will look at prices at the end. Let's look at my bundle. Ooh, dark. Some polka dots, some denim it looks like. All right, little tiny baby bundle. I feel like I've got this one before or something similar, but I like the color. Look at this. So it's a nice like teal color. In the back, in polka dots, and in the back is kind of a jersey material, stretchy. Although I would say it's classic Stitch Fix, I really like it, and I think it would look really good like on Zoom meetings and stuff. Like it would be comfortable yet not like my PJs. So this might fill a gap in my wardrobe because I do really like the color in the polka dots. Okay, we'll try that on. What else do we have here? Oh, this is cute too. This one as well. So it's like a knit, I don't know, what do they call that? Cross front. I'm just a little bit nervous about how deep the V is, but this is typically good on me. I just don't need to be showing off too much cleavage, and I don't really love to wear extra layers to cover up the cleavage. So we'll just see how that looks on, but I like it. What do we have here? Okay, so this is a North Face, like feels like a kind of a windbreaker. It is a full zip, and we'll try that on. I just got, it's super random. We were in this tiny town in Montana, and we just stopped. We like Googled where's coffee, because we're from Seattle and super cliche. Where's coffee? We went to this small town, and right next to this adorable coffee shop in Dillon, Montana. Sorry, I almost said Wyoming. Dillon, Montana. There was a Patagonia outlet. And I don't usually call it Patagucci because it's so freaking expensive. But it was outlet, so it had pretty good prices, and we just bought a bunch of jackets there. Still expensive, but so I don't know if I need another one, but this is cute, and I don't have kind of a windbreaker type jacket, so we'll see about that. And I probably don't need one if I don't have one, but we don't talk about need here. Okay, so these are, looks like some dark camo leggings. Oh, but they're like a jogger front, but they're like leggings, so we'll try those on. They seem what brand are these? Oh, Vuori. I've seen ads for this. So, okay, they're really soft, and the camo is like mild enough that I could do it. I could pull it off, I think. So we'll try those on and see how they fit. And then last but not least are some Vigoss Tomboy jeans. that have a really cute wash. They're called Luxe Stretch. Oh, I like this wash. It looks really cute. Okay, well, let's try all this on and see how it fits. I'll be right back. Okay, here is the first outfit, and I do like this shirt. It's by Papermoon, and it depends on the price. I bet it's like 50 bucks if I were to guess. But it does fill a gap in my wardrobe. Very much something I could just throw on, be comfortable, and get like on a work call without kind of overdoing it. You know, let's leave the yoga pants on down here. But yeah, I think it's cute with its little polka dots. Depends on the price, probably. And then I got these jeans, and they're Tomboy jeans. And I like the wash, although there's a little bit of a crease in the wash right here, which is a little funny. But I think they're nice. They're stretchy and comfortable. Tell me what you think about the length. The length is unique. I wonder what that looks like unrolled. They're kind of a straight leg, which, I don't know, I kind of like them. Let's roll them both down here. Yeah, I could go with this. I don't have any jeans like this. All right, well, I kind of know the price for Vigoss jeans. But yeah, so that's not totally unreasonable. All right, let me try on the next outfit. Okay, I'm really going to need your help with this one because I thought, oh my goodness, this shirt is amazing. It has like all the right ruching to like hide everything. It's cut down, flattering, but not too much. The length is good. It's knit, so it's real soft and stretchy. I thought this is an excellent shirt. And I showed my daughter, she's like, oh, it makes you look old. I'm like, I am kind of old. But it could also satisfy that requirement of like a comfy work shirt while I sit at my desk and be on meetings and things. So tell me what you think. Would you get this one or the polka dot teal one for like Zoom meetings? I work in technology, so you don't have to be super dressy or anything, but you want to be something other than a hoodie, which is kind of my go-to on a work day. So tell me what you think. I kind of like it. Is it too old? All right, let me go try on the kind of workout clothes. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and the North Face windbreaker is nice. It feels a little bit small. It's in the hips. Does anybody else have that problem? Like a jacket fits great everywhere, and you're just like, here, I guess I'll wear my jacket up here because it doesn't fit around this area right here. Cannot be the only one. And I don't even have that much back here. So I don't know how you lovely, voluptuous, extra voluptuous in the rear end ladies do it, but it must be everything's like here. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so it's cute. I don't need it. I just got my other jackets, but it's cute. Meant for a little less hippie ladies. Okay, so the leggings are really cute. They're thin, I would say. Like, you'd have to be real careful like where you're wearing them so not too much is showing. I am not a leggings wearer like in public. I work out in leggings. I wear like joggers in public, but usually leggings, I mean sometimes I'll wear them out, but it's just not really my style. So these ones are a little bit fancy for working out. I mean, I can work out with them. They're not that fancy, but they don't feel like workout leggings, but I probably wouldn't wear them in public. They're like leggings, except for they have this really high waist and a tie, and they're kind of cuffed at the bottom, although it doesn't look like it. They just look like leggings. Tell me what you think. Am I being a little too critical and weird? It's probably true. Okay, let's check on prices because I think it'll matter on a number of these items. Although I think the box is pretty good. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, let's look at prices, but before we do, I just wanted to show you all this new belt I got. Can you see it? It's like cheetah print, and it's like a little bit furry. I got it on Amazon for $17.99. I'll put the link below if you want to look at it, but I just needed a new belt, and I thought this is going to be perfect because I just have like a plain white t-shirt and some jeans, But then look at pizzazz, little sass right here in the middle. I thought it was cute. I got an extra large and I probably could have gotten a large. I got another belt and I got an extra large and it doesn't fit. So I don't know who does these sizing, but they just need to talk to each other. Okay, so let's go for prices. Okay, so the leggings, Vuori leggings are 84 bucks. Man, you know, sometimes I'll spend 84 bucks on some leggings. I'm not sure of these. They were just a little thin and I just would be worried that the right lighting, you'd be able to see all my bits. So I'm not totally sure that 84 is right for those. The jeans are what I expected. They're 68, which I think is a good price. And I liked them unrolled better. Tell me what you thought about these jeans. The wash is fun. Kind of need a pair of dark wash, but I like these ones and probably good for going into fall. So those are in the maybe pile. The wrap front is by 41 Hawthorne. Oh man, that's a good price. 38 bucks. Was it too old lady? It doesn't seem old lady at all to me. It feels like sassy, like let's go out looking good. Well. It's what it is. That's 38. It's a great price. The North Face jacket, which we all knew would be kind of high. For this thing kind of jacket, it's 79, which is about what I expected, but not something I need and not quite the right fit over the old hips. And last but not least is the Papermoon teal shirt for 38, and that's a great price too. Okay, if I just chose one shirt, which one should it be? The black or the Papermoon teal? I could probably get both and it'd be fine, but I get a lot of boxes. Can't just be going crazy, okay? So, tell me what you think about that. The whole box is $230, and the discount, if I got everything, oh sorry, with the discount, if I got everything, it'd be $230. I don't want everything, so I need to make a tough choice and I need to do some Stitch Fix math. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, please. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to get notified every time I post new videos. Okay, I will try to be more consistent about putting out my videos, but hey, life gets in the way. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.